Good afternoon, everybody. What are you doing on a rainy Monday in the homestead? You collect water. We put this little water collection system in on one of our buildings. And we're pumping the water to a bigger container up on the hill where the chicken coop is. A little bit noisy. So we're going to take you a little walk here. Up the hill we go in the rain. Sunflower's looking good. Sweet potatoes doing all right. Radish is just about gone. Got a little lettuce, a few carrots. Those potatoes sure look good. Let's go check on the chickens in the rain. Looks like they're all doing good. What you guys doing out here in the rain? Huh? Y'all ain't got no sense. You like the rain, do you? Mercy. Still ain't quite figured out how many roosters we got, or if we even have one. I did hear one crowing the other morning. I think it was one of those white ones. What you doing, girls? Huh? What you doing? Yeah? You're missing Corbett, ain't you? Corbett comes out and talks to him, picks him up, holds him. You hear that hose, don't you? I think my pump quit. Don't see no water moving, so I gotta go run back down the hill and check that out. But that's what we do on a rainy Monday. Kind of hang out, stay low, and wait for the rain to stop. What do you think, carrot? Pumpkin. And mushroom, of course. Come here. Mushroom, what are you doing up there? You getting your little rain? They're doing good, guys. We're coming up on week 13, so we're thinking in the next 4 weeks we're going to start getting eggs. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what we had going on. Doing a little water collection. Getting there. We'll catch you on the next one.